Going to do a fitment for the 2023 540i M Sport. This model has the adaptive cruise, or the eyeball, that box in the center, and so we're going to mount it off on the driver's side. Sorry, by driver's side. So here's the adaptive portion there that controls for your variable speed and sensor, so you don't want to block that. And then from there you're going to use the screw just to the right of that, and then the next screw over.
Take those out using an 8mm.
Yep, remove those two screws using an 8mm socket. Okay, now you're going to take one of your two 4.8 by 25 screws, put it through the bottom of the base plate, and put it in that hole to the right there. Get it started, don't tighten it down, and then you're going to grab the left one. Go ahead and put that in the hole to the left nearest the adaptive.
This one's slotted, so you'll want to pull it forward once you start tightening it.
Yeah. So as you tighten the one that's closest to the center of the car, the adaptive cruise, you're going to want to slide it a little bit so that it will be, your front plate will be contoured to the front of the car and not be in an angle. So you'll have to adjust that. Yeah, you're going to end up sliding it forward. Tighten it down, and now you're ready to put the front plate in. Grab the front plate, you'd have your license plate attached to that. Grab a pull pin, pull that, slide it in, lock it in. And that's all there is to it.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.